pagpasok ko na yan, pag natanggap ni PhilHealth simplified lang ho ito na description. Okay? So, audit, okay, is done this way. Okay? From the hospital, there's the e-claims, you transmit it electronically. Then it will be received by PhilHealth. The first step done is the prepayment review. So, the prepayment review, that is where the claim form 4 will come in. So, there is actually a checklist for this. So, PhilHealth doctors will review the claim. Based on the checklist, they will identify if it's good for payment. Okay, it will proceed to the next stage. But if there are problems, it will end up as RTH or denied. Most of the time, it is denied. Okay? In the event that the claim will proceed to the next stage, it will go to adjudication. The adjudication, okay, is the stage wherein documentary requirements are reviewed. Okay? Very specific, the non-clinical documents. Okay? There is a staff who will review the non-clinical aspect of the claim. So, that is adjudication. Now, if there are inconsistencies in your claim, okay, sa non-clinical part, okay, your claim will end up as RTH or denied. The chances are 70 to 80% it's returned to hospital. If it's all about, okay, adjudication of the non-clinical requirements. Now, if your claim has no problem, it will now proceed to the next stage. Okay? So the next stage is the generation of the voucher. Okay? So this is now your claim is good, and from there, so it will there is the review of the disbursement vouchers, and the next step is this. Okay? You will receive the payment, okay, through the bank. Now, tapos na ba? No, it does not end there. Okay? After receiving the payment, okay, once the hospital will receive the payment, okay, all the claims that you submitted, okay, will be subject to the medical post-audit. Okay? So, this is where the promise of all case rate will come in. In 2011, okay, it was explained to everybody that all case rate is a case-based payment wherein the goal is to pay first and then you will be audited later. So that is why you are going to be paid first and PhilHealth doctors will review the claim after payment. Such the term post-audit of your claim. So there are specific parameters used, no, in post-audit. Now, in the event that there will be findings, okay, if there are violation, an investigation, okay, will proceed. So, if there are fraudulent activities discovered, it will proceed now to legal. Okay. So, question. When will the post-audit happen? After payment immediately? No. There is no such thing. Actually, there is no... Okay, ganito. When will post-audit happen? Okay. There is no specific policy in PhilHealth, okay, as I recall, that states that it will happen after payment on a specific month or a specific number of days or whatever it is. As I recall, there is none. So, okay, it's short of saying, there is no prescribed period. Okay? Post-audit can done this year, post-audit will be done next year, it depends on them. It depends on a lot of logistical circumstances or consideration on the end of PhilHealth. So that is why there are cases filed against a hospital, okay, going as way back as 2015, 2016, 2013, okay? So, it is not actually surprising.